Hello, I used to have the AliExpress combi bracelet installed on my Casio DW5600. But I have put on the original rubber bracelet again, as you can see. The reason is that I didn't trust the combi bracelet. To begin with, it didn't fit when I got it. I had to sand it and bend the spring bars, otherwise I couldn't install it. I also happened to damage the lugs that hold the spring bars, so I actually put on some super glue on the lugs. I hope that they will not crack. A poorly fitted bracelet may wear out the holes in the lugs and damage the resin case. So therefore I took off the combi bracelet, and now I have the original rubber bracelet installed. So I have installed the old combi bracelet on my SCME 1628 instead. And it seems to fit perfectly. And I don't worry about damaging the lugs on this one. It's a cheap $12 watch. As you can see, the spring bars are slightly bent. Otherwise, I couldn't fit the combi bracelet. Now, I have ordered a cheap replacement kit with bezel and bracelet for this Casio DW5600. Here's the parcel. Let's open it up. Oops. Here's the blue bezel. Replacement bezel for the Casio DW5600. And here's the bracelet. Two spring bars are included. And this little screwdriver as well. Let's see. Okay. Here's the rubber bracelet. Looks great. Check out the buckle. They look the same. Here's the original buckle, and here's the replacement buckle. You can hardly see any difference between them. So now let's install this blue bezel and bracelet on my Casio DW5600, so we can see what it looks like. So now I have to remove the original bezel. There are 4 screws that I have to remove. In order to do so, I need a screwdriver, and as you see, this is not a screwdriver. So I have bought a 25-in-1 mini precision screwdriver set for $3.83, including shipping. Let's open up the parcel. Looks like a wallet, but it's a screwdriver set. Look at that. "25 screwdrivers. When installing the replacement bracelet, you have to use the thinner spring bars that are included in this kit. Don't use the thicker spring bars, because then you can't install the bracelet. I tried it. So I have to use the thinner spring bars. Here's my Casio Square G-Shock with the new replacement bezel and bracelet installed. I think it's a great product. It's very cheap, and I can't tell the difference between the original bracelet and bezel and this replacement bezel and bracelet. Not even the buckle is different. So I'm very happy with this purchase. Replacement bezel and bracelet.